In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "an error occurred" playback error on YouTube. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Next, select Time and Language from the left-hand menu. Click Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, enable Set Time Zone Automatically. Scroll down and click the Sync Now button to update your computer's date and time. Once that's done, close the settings window. Now open YouTube in your web browser. Click the Site Information icon next to the website address in the address bar. Then select Cookies and Site Data. Click Manage On-Device Site Data. Now click the trash icon next to each YouTube entry to clear the stored site data. After that, refresh the YouTube page and check if the playback error has been resolved. That's it. This is how you can fix the "an error occurred" playback error on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.